Good evening students, welcome to class 7th maths. Today we will begin practice set 36. Third question. Solve the following equations. First one, 4x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 9 upon 2. How to solve the equations that I am going to teach you now. For x, write as it is, number with variable, plus 1 upon 2 become minus 1 upon 2. Here plus is there, you have to take opposite sign minus. Plus sign is there, after the sign what number is given, you have to see and then you have to take opposite sign and that on the number. Numbers with variable first you have to write as it is. 4x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 9 upon 2 is equal to 4x plus 1 upon 2 minus same number 1 upon 2 is equal to right side what is given 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Now on the left side, which sign you have taken opposite and the other number, that on the right side you have to take the same number. Plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 get cancelled. 4x is equal to 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Now here denominators are same. If denominators are same, write as it is in fraction. You have to subtract this. Remember this, you have studied in fraction lesson. If denominators are same, you have tried only one time. Numerators, if the numbers are different, whether to add, you have to subtract, you have to follow that. 8 upon 2 divided. And what answer you are getting? See, 2 ones are 2 fours are 4x is equal to 4. Now both the sides you are getting the single term, means you are getting the monomial. Here on the left side number with variable is there, so you have to find only the value of x over here. When you want to find the value of x and both the side if single term is there, you have to take in division form. X is equal to this 4 and left side 4 which is there, that will go on denominator. 4 upon 4, 4 ones are 4 ones are. When you divide 4 divide by 4, 4 ones are 4. Your quotient is 1, so that's why here, when you cancel here, the answer is 1. How to solve these equations here? This you already studied in class 6th. You have to follow the same rule. Left side if it is given subtraction, so you have to take opposite sign plus. After sign which number is given, that only number you have to take on both the sides and the opposite sign which you are taking of it. Now look at second one. 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. Left side we have the single number, single term is there. Right side we have the two terms. Two terms is called binomial. Single term is called monomial. So if single number is there, take it on the right side, and two terms which is there, binomial which is there, take it on left side. That is 2y plus 5 is equal to 10. Why? I am telling you the reason. The reason is right side is which the binomial is given, one is given number with variable. You have to find the value of y. So that's why you have to take it on left side, and single term is there, single number is there, you have to take it on the right side. And now you have to solve it, this equation sum. You have to find the value of y last. Two y plus 5 is given left side. Here plus sign is there. Plus 5 become minus 5. Right side single number is there. 10 minus 5. Left side what you have taken? The opposite sign and the number. Right side also you have to take the opposite sign and that only number in equation. So you have to write the reason. Subtracting 5 on both the sides. Now plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled. 5 minus 5 becomes 0. Any number you are subtracting the same number, your answer is 0. So write this number with variable as it is. 2y is equal to, this you already cancelled. 10 minus 5 is 5. So now you have to find value of y. Y is equal to, right side what number is there, write as it is. Left side which is given number with variable, number you have to take it on denominator when you are finding the value of y. So this is the answer. 5 upon 2 cannot be divided. Look at third sum. 5m minus 4 is equal to 1. Now this you have to solve the equations which I taught you first and second one. Number with variable write as it is. 5m minus 4, left side which is given write as it is. 5m minus 4 minus you have to take plus sign. Plus 4 is equal to, right side which number is there, that write 1 plus 4. 5m minus 4 is given on left side, sign which is given opposite take, plus this number is equal to 1. Left side what you have taken opposite sign, that only you have to take right side same sign and same number. So your reason is adding 4 on both the sides. Minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled because minus into plus become minus. So you have to subtract. I am repeating this again. Any number you are subtracting the same number, answer getting 0. So that's why you have to do cancellation. Number with variable write as it is. Now add this one. 1 plus 4, 5. Now both left side and right side you are getting single term. So write in division form. You have to find the value of m. M is equal to, right side what number is there, right, left side what number is there, that you have to take upon 5. 5 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 ones are. Any number dividing by the same number, your answer is 1 because your quotient is 1. Therefore m is equal to 1.